In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Titlecase in Google Docs. Whether you're crafting a document for work, school, or a personal project, having your titles in the correct format can really make your content look polished and professional. So, let's dive into the process of applying Titlecase to your text in Google Docs. First, open your Google document and identify the text you want to modify. This could be the title of your document or any heading inside it. Once you've found the text, go ahead and highlight it. You can do this by clicking and dragging your mouse over the text. Highlighting is crucial because it tells Google Docs which part of your document you want to affect. Next, we'll need to access the Format menu. You'll find this at the top of the window, nestled between Edit and Tools. Click on Format. This menu is a powerful tool, housing many options to alter the appearance of your document. Don't worry, today we're just focusing on capitalization, so it will be quite simple. Now, after clicking on Format, a drop-down list will appear. Take a moment to look through these options. You'll see settings for text, paragraphs, alignments, and more. For the purpose at hand, move your mouse over Text. This is where we control everything about the appearance of your text, including size, style, and capitalization. After hovering over text, a secondary menu will appear on the side. From this menu, locate Capitalization. Clicking on it will open another drop-down with three options: Lowercase, Uppercase, and Titlecase. We're aiming for Titlecase, which will capitalize the first letter of each major word in your selected text. Go ahead and select Titlecase. With this, Google Docs will automatically adjust the capitalization of your highlighted text, ensuring that every necessary first letter is uppercase while keeping conjunctions, articles, and prepositions in lowercase, unless they start the title. This method is perfect when you want your document to maintain a consistent professional appearance. And there you have it. Within just a few clicks, we've transformed the capitalization of your text using Google Docs, giving your document a more refined and formal look. Remember, using Titlecase is a great way to ensure consistency across your project, and it helps readers easily distinguish headings and important sections. Thank you for watching, and be sure to apply this simple yet effective formatting tool in your future documents. Happy writing!